At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC in New Hampshire involves several steps. Here's a simplified guide. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with New Hampshire naming requirements. The name must include the phrase Limited Liability Company or its abbreviations, LLC or LLC. 2. Designate a registered agent. You must appoint a registered agent who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in New Hampshire. 3. File articles of organization. You need to file articles of organization with the New Hampshire Secretary of State. This can be done online or by mail. You'll need to provide basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not legally required in New Hampshire, it's advisable to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. 5. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is required for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS. 6. File other required documents. Depending on your business activities, you may need to obtain licenses or permits at the state or local level. Check with the New Hampshire Department of Revenue Administration and local authorities to ensure compliance. 7. File annual reports. In New Hampshire, LLCs are required to file an annual report with the Secretary of State. This report updates the state on any changes to your LLC's information and is due by April 1st each year. 8. Comply with tax requirements. Your LLC may have state tax obligations, such as the business profits tax and the business enterprise tax. You may also need to register for state sales tax if you sell goods or certain services. 9. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a business bank account. You'll need your EIN and LLC formation documents to do this. 10. Maintain compliance. Stay compliant with New Hampshire's ongoing requirements for LLCs, including filing annual reports, paying taxes, and renewing licenses or permits. Consider consulting with a legal or financial advisor for personalized guidance on starting your LLC in New Hampshire, especially regarding legal and tax implications specific to your business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.